Hey, welcome friends, welcome to Be Learning Club. Before starting a most interesting part, conditional statement, we have to learn about Boolean. So what are the Boolean? Boolean value always return two values, true or false. So let's see an example. So just create a variable x equal 5 and y equal 6 and print ln x greater than y. And what it will return, it will return false. Okay, this is a boolean value. And now change x less than y, and now it will return true. This is a boolean value. 5 less than 6. Okay, it will obviously return true. If I change this to 5 and now here I use equal to operator, then what it will return, it will return true. If I give here greater than equal, it will return also true. You can see, but when I use only greater than, then it will return false. So now friends, let's take a string. So here just take a string boolean and type here also boolean, and here I just use equal to operator. What it will return, it will return true. But if I remove e or any letter from this, then it will return false. Okay, so this is the boolean value. Boolean value always return true or false. This is most important part of conditional statement. So thank you friends, see in next video.